and the rest of the we are going to see is manifold classification. Okay, manifold classification means a classification in which the attributes are divided into more than two classes. Okay, see, here the meaning attributes means a character. Okay, a qualitative character. Okay, a qualitative character. Okay, so if the attributes are divided into more than two classes, then we will say such a classification as manifold classification. Okay, see, in this example we are having two attributes. Okay, one is A and B. So in the A attribute we are classifying into more than two classes, 1 2 3 4 and up to R. Okay, and similarly in the B attribute we are classifying into more than two classes. Okay, 1 2 and 3 and up to S. Okay, so if we either A in A attribute or in B or in both, if you are dividing into more than two classes, then we will say a classification as manifold classification. Okay, so this classification is called manifold classification. Okay, so this table, okay, here we are having a table. This table is called contingency table. Okay, okay, so this table is the contingency. So this table is called contingency table. Okay, so we are presenting a manifold classification in the form of table. Okay, so this table is called contingency table. So this is a R into S contingency table. Okay, R into S. Okay, we are having R column, okay, and S rows. Okay, so this is an R into S contingency table. Okay, so we will see some example. See here. See, for example, there is a rose plant. Okay, so in the rose plant, there is a rose plant. Okay, so in the rose plant I am taking two attributes. One is color. Okay, color of the flower. Okay, color of flower. Okay, and uh, and other attribute is thorns. Okay, whether in the flower the thorns is present or absent. Okay, so here I am classifying attribute color, okay, into more than two classes. Okay, that is red, blue, white and pink. Okay, that is we are having four classes. Okay, in the first attribute we are having four classes. We are classified into four classes. Okay, and the second attribute, okay, that is thorns. Okay, in the thorn we are classifying into two classes. Okay, one is present or absent. Okay, so in this way we are classifying either single attribute uh, or or both attribute into more than two classes. Okay, so this is a manifold classification, and this table is a 4 into 2 contingency table. Okay, here we are having 4 columns and 2 rows. Okay, this is the 4 into 2 contingency table. Okay,